Hello everyone, today I'll be making a simple 2 ingredients yogurt popsicle with the most basic supplies and ingredients found in a house. All you're going to need is a small container of fresh yogurt and a metal spoon. The yogurt is going to be the base ingredient of the popsicle. The reason why I said that this is a 2 ingredient recipe is because I have peaches in my container of yogurt. This recipe is very customizable. I would suggest you to use plain vanilla yogurt to start, and you may add whatever fruits that you would like. I have even seen my friends add bits of chocolate to make it chocolate flavored. To start, take the peel off of the yogurt. Always, and I mean always, lick the yogurt off the peel because you don't want to waste any food. Now, if you're using the vanilla yogurt, you should add whatever extra ingredients that you're going to need right now and stir it carefully. For me, since I'm not going to add anything else, I'm just going to take my metal spoon and just evenly mix it and try to make my spoon rest in the middle of it. Now, the final step you're going to do is just to put this in the freezer for 24 hours. One tip is, or a note is, if you have a popsicle mold, you can use it. But the thing is, I don't have one at the moment, so I'm just going to use the container that the yogurt came with. It's been 24 hours later, and this is the result. As you can see, there's a thin layer of ice. Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit. Yep. There's a thin layer of ice on the top, but it's completely fine since it's nothing but just water. Now, you're gonna aggressively grasp your popsicle container or mold with your body heat until you melt the outside layer of the popsicle. I would grasp it for maybe around probably 20 seconds. After 20 seconds of holding it, my hand's getting really cold. What you're gonna do is just to firmly hold the spoon and then try and slide it out. And there, your popsicle is now finished, and I would suggest you to eat it before it melts. All you're gonna taste is just frozen yogurt. And if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, as each subscription encourages me to make more videos. See you next time. Oh, also a note, if anywhere in this video is unclear or inaudible, open the subtitles or transcript to know everything that I said. See you next time.